Hi Glam Fam, today we are going to be making this super delicious pepper steak in the crock pot. If you want to learn how, keep watching. So the first thing I did was chopped up my bell peppers. I used different colors just to make it pretty and have a variety. And then you're going to want to brown your meat and onions in the pan. And I chopped up some garlic, and I also used minced garlic, beef broth, and here's what I seasoned with and added to it. Here is all of them in the crock pot mixed together. And then I'm just gonna cook it on low for 4 to 5 hours. This is just my gravy mix for the pepper steak, which I add in the last 30 minutes. And this is how it came out. It was so tasty. I hope you try this for your family and let me know how it goes. Bye.